Oh yeah. There you go.
Look at all that mess already. Ah.
There you go. Oh yeah. Ooh. Ooh, yeah.
Sizzling hot.
Stop. Don't stop. Don't stop. Don't.
Hello.
Hi people.
So,
3 in the afternoon.
3 in the afternoon, and we've had an interesting morning.
Yes.
So, first thing happened this morning. We woke up and we were trying to well, I was trying to create
A cover.
yeah, a makeshift a makeshift cover for the grill.
Yeah.
And I thought I measured it properly, but then I measured the width and the depth, and I measured the height.
Yeah.
And when I cut the material that we had, I calculated it wrong. So
because we had some spare material that we didn't know what to do with it, but you know, we need a cover for the grill. So at the moment, it's got some clear plastic
on it.
Yeah.
It's out there. Yep.
And that's in case it rains and things. So you know.
And besides, the cloth that we were using wasn't waterproof anyway, so it's not like it would solve the problem properly.
So I think we're gonna have to go out and get some tarpaulin or something, or some thick plastic to put over it. I mean, it's fine at the moment if it rains, but when the snowy weather comes and you know,
I mean,
we don't know whether we're gonna leave it out there or bring it in.
We've got a storage area inside the apartment. And we also have a basement, but it's kind of too much work. We would rather, we would rather if it just stays stationary.
Yeah.
Second thing was, you know, I just had to play doctor because wife for life cuts her fingers, so now she's got a little booby going on there. You know. So today's vlog was not intended, but because we decided we're gonna put something on the grill for the first time.
Yeah.
We bought the cylinder, we hooked it up, we turned it on as you've seen in the last vlog, but
didn't try.
Yeah, can it grill anything? You know?
So we're gonna dirty that grill up. I mean, I think that's one of the reasons why we kind of like that we didn't delay the grilling.
The grilling.
Because it looks so nice and shiny and new, and of course oil and meat.
Yeah, we know
we're gonna have to clean
it's not gonna stay like that. So wife for life was in the kitchen. She was preparing some salad to go with. We
got pork steaks and sausages.
Right. So we bought them just to test the grill.
Yeah.
And considering that it's an half decent day, it's not sunny, but it's still warm.
It's dull, but it's warm, a bit windy. But,
so, late lunch. We're gonna call it late lunch.
Or tea if you're in England.
Yeah, so we're gonna call it late lunch. So, let's get with it. Let's get.
Yeah, I made some salad, put some salad together, some mixed salad and potato salad, so we can have that with the meat.
Okay. Yeah. All right. Let's do
that.
So
let's do this. In the fridge, we have the salad I prepared, and nice tomatoes, onions, cucumbers, potato salad, and that's the meat that we bought, we told you about, and that was 50% off, so that's good. And the pork steaks, we got 4 of those, so follow me.
So are we leaving these out, or are they staying in the fridge until you're ready?
No, because I'm going to put that on top so the flies can't get on it, and that one and that one. So, There's flies. So, there's the rest of the meat. And I'll leave the table there. I'll get the other stuff.
Okay.
So flies will still go in.
No. I think everything is ready. As you can see, Wife for Life has done her thing. We got the plates that we're gonna be eating out of here. I believe these are onions, dried onions, salad. Did I show that salad? And we're gonna be drinking red wine today.
Yes.
Salt, pepper, and some salad dressing. So, we're about to have a, what you say, picnic for two or barbecue for two? Barbecue for two. So, it's a lot of meat just for us two, so we're not gonna devour the whole thing. We're definitely gonna leave some for later and some for Jay. When he gets back, he can have a piece. But let's see, will it be disaster or will it be the accomplishment of a master?
Oh, you're right.
I'm a poet, don't you know it? So, let's get it. Wife for Life is up now.
Got a bit
Okay.
of oil there to grease the pan just in case. I'm not sure what to do. So this is a new grill, so I don't want to get it too.
Well, it's gonna get there one way or another.
Yeah.
So, the thing that I'm most concerned about, let me get on this side. The thing that I'm most concerned about is to just make sure that it actually lights up. So, yeah?
Here we go.
Okay.
Yeah.
From the last time I understand, we put it on the middle one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Is the gas on?
Oh, let me put the gas on. So. Open, not all the way, about 75%. Put it on the thingy.
I'll put it on
Yep.
middle one with that, and I'm gonna.
And click, 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 click. Yes.
Is it on?
Yes.
Oh. Okay, let me hear this bit. This one isn't.
Yeah, it's on.
I didn't hear that in this.
I can feel it. Okay, so we're fire is up. Okay, so let's put some meat on the grill. Oh yeah, I can feel the heat.
And I'm gonna score, what you call score the sausages. So.
Oh, I used to think the grill actually made those marks.
No.
Yeah.
That's just so it won't. Probably still will. The skin will open up, flare out, kind of thing. I'm just going to brush some oil across them. So, wow, we got a barbecue. We're cooking.
Yeah.
Outside cooking.
I can see the flame there. It's windy. Moment of truth.
Ta-da! Dirty up the grill.
I know, man. It looks so nice. But that sizzle sound good. Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, we grilling now.
We be grilling.
Yeah, mess up the grill some more.
Is the flame? Oh, flame's there too.
Yeah. It's happening. Alright.
So,
Time for the steaks.
lovely big steaks. They look nice.
Yeah.
So, we're ready equipped. Look at that bad boy.
Oh, it smells like we're having a barbecue. Alright.
So, shall we close this? Shall we put it on?
Yeah, turn it down a bit. Are we only having 2 steaks?
No.
Oh yeah. There you go.
Look at all that mess already. Ah.
There you go. Oh yeah. Ooh. Ooh, yeah.
Sizzling hot.
Yeah. Just need some jerk chicken now.
Oh, you got chicken wings? Could have jerked some ourselves.
No, I'm talking about real jerk chicken.
There we go.
Okay.
Oil it. No new ones that I've put on.
Maybe the sausage need turning now. Especially the ones at the back. That one look like it's, yeah.
Angry at me?
There we go. Nice. Steak and sausages
On the grill.
are on the grill. I might have to put something else on, but I'm not going to put it on yet until maybe like a light jacket.
Yeah.
I'm
See,
not
if you
going
had
to
a
put it
cardigan,
on yet.
If you'd have gone with my suggestion of buying a cardigan.
Don't do cardigans. I do sweater or jacket.
I'm trying to
or
get him
coat.
to wear a cardigan.
Don't do cardigans.
He says they're for old men.
Indeed. You know, I got a little gray. Doesn't qualify me as old yet. I call this my sophisticated face.
Yeah.
Yeah. What you think of my beard? Look at that. I'm loving it.
Trying to get it all grey.
I haven't, not all gray. I have to go through the
Salt and pepper.
the salt and pepper face first. This is a sophisticated look. I've ordered a hat that's gonna pimp it out.
A fedora.
A fedora hat. So I'm just waiting for that, you know, so I can show you all. I'm a classic man. You know, but anyway, you know,
Yeah.
once my hat come out, I have to show it to you guys. If it works for me, I'm gonna
Yeah.
order a few more.
Yeah,
you
and
know.
I think I tried one on,
Yeah.
a woman's fedora. That's a bit more,
Yeah,
the rim is much
Wider.
wider.
yeah.
So yeah, I tried one on in the store the other
You know.
day. Looked nice.
You have
So I
to
should have
keep-
showed you actually, but
We
yeah.
have to keep it classy.
Yeah,
You know?
so-
to inspire all our fashionistas.
Yeah.
You know, I'm sure a few of our viewers are fashionistas.
Exactly.
So, oh, there go our doorbell again.
Yep.
Hold on, see who this is. Yeah. Hello. Must be the kids.
Yeah.
So, whoa, the living room is very smoky.
Maybe we should try.
No, because if we close the door, we'll shut ourselves out. But what we could do is put the fan on and blow it this way.
Yeah.
Oh.
Turn it over.
That's looking good.
Getting a nice.
Is it too high? Or
No,
it's just
because it
right?
can't go any more. It's on the lowest one, if you know what I mean.
Ooh,
That's looking good.
man. Bye, nice clean grill.
I mean, if the sausages are good enough for you.
Just put them up here, the top rack. You know, we got
I'll leave
to.
them on for a bit more.
Yeah, but we gotta use all compartments. But they're looking good.
Yeah. Well, the other set, I'll put them on.
Yes,
You know. Yeah, man.
looking
Ooh.
good. This is what it came to. We have to turn the fan on to blow out all the smoke. Maybe it's not shown in the video, but yeah. Are we Instagramming?
Oh yeah, should we do a live one?
Oh yes, we could do a live Instagram. I'm about to crack a bottle of, this one is called Monte Pulciano di Abruzzo. Sounds Italian. Let me try to pronounce that again. Monte Pulciano di Abruzzo. Monte Oh, how would you pronounce that?
Montepulciano
Di
di
Abruzzo.
Abruzzo.
Yeah. When you speak Italian, you have to kind of sing.
Yeah.
You know? So,
He's very good at opening these bottles. I always get the cork all in half and broken, and you know, bits of cork in the wine bottle and blah.
well,
So I leave it up to him.
I have what you would call a 90% accuracy. Sometimes they mess up for me as well. So, but not
There
this
you
time.
go.
Good.
What does it smell like?
Very,
Woody?
very fruity. Smell it, you guys.
To our lovely wine glasses there.
Yep,
Poured like a professional.
like a professional. I've poured a lot of wine, so I kind of like
Got it down to
got
a
it
T.
down almost to a T.
Yes. Watching a few YouTube videos.
Yeah. Never too old to learn,
No,
you know?
definitely not. Our dream is to have a wine cellar.
Yes, one of these days.
Yeah.
Is that a good mark? Almost.
Yes. But we drink wine more than we save it, so. You know.
So, there we go.
There you go. It's good.
Our thermometer is over 100 degrees. So I guess that means
It's ready.
cooking. Let's see. Oh yeah. Yeah. Definitely
Yeah, good
can.
to go.
Definitely. If all hell fails, we can always go and sell meat.
Yeah.
Yes. Ooh,
Yeah.
that's a little taster right there. Let's get that little piece out. Put it here. Yeah. We're gonna taste this piece.
Happy hups.
Very proud of ourselves. That is on point.
Melt in the mouth.
Mm-hmm.
We're ready.
But every time you guys want some homemade barbecue,
Come on over.
y'all know where to come. Not just because we did this ourselves. I'm telling you, this is some 5-star barbecue.
Of course.
Yes. Yeah. But for the cockiness, me being Michelin, I'm gonna do
Michelin
that.
star.
I'm gonna do that to 5. So now I give her 4.5.
What?
Alright, let's get eating. It's lunchtime.
Time to eat.
So,
Show you the plate.
you know,
Easy.
steak, sausage, salads, ketchup.
Gotta have ketchup. So let's devour this.
Let me put you guys back some more so you guys can participate.
Watch us eat.
Participate in our late lunch. Is that good?
Tea.
I'm asking them if that's good, like they're gonna respond to me.
They may do.
So,
Yeah, bon appetit.
oh, first thing, ching ching.
Cheers to our first
Cheers.
barbecue. And cheers to you, subscribers.
Cheers to you. Not our first barbecue, but our first barbecue on our new grill. And go check out our Instagram page
Yep.
and see.
At Ian and Tina _world.
Yes, because we've just posted. Oops. We've just posted
The wine.
the wine.
And we have our barbecue story. So
Yes,
check it out.
we had the barbecue to our story of the day. So, considering that you guys are here to eat with us, I have to take you through the taste. I'm not gonna cheat either. Gonna be honest.
Nice and juicy.
What's the word we're looking for?
Succulent. You know, there's some words that you like saying, and there's some words that you hate saying.
It's one of our favorite words. Succulent. It just sounds good.
Yeah.
Like, one word I like to say is, Lebanon. I think it just rolls off your tongue. I'm from Lebanon, you know? So you guys got a favorite words, a favorite word, share with us.
Yeah.
So, where food is concerned, it's succulent for us. And where general words are concerned, for me, it's Lebanon. Have you got one?
I don't think so. I think I have, but I can't remember it.
But it's good. And I'm not just saying that. You know, it's actually good.
It's nice.
See?
Have some.
I'll eat some for you guys. That's our situation at the moment. So, I'm not going to sit here and let you guys drool all over, you know, saying how they're eating and they're not sharing us. You know, so. So after we finish eating, I'm going to edit this vlog, get it up for you guys. So,
Yes.
by the time you're watching this, we've already digested
Yep.
all of this.
We had everything. Yeah, pity we don't have dessert. Maybe we'll have to make a little something. Yeah, we still have to lose weight for our holiday.
Watching the figure, staying away from desserts.
Yeah.
You know, we've been working out, believe it or not.
Yeah.
We've been doing a lot of jogging.
Yeah. Sit-ups, squats.
The interesting thing about exercise, one should exercise to keep fit in general,
Yeah.
but we tend to exercise more vigorously when we have a holiday coming up, only to go on the holiday and eat
whatever
ridiculously
Why
to
not?
come back and exercise again.
for our next holiday. It's worth it though. You know?
So,
Yeah.
today we just wanted you guys to witness if we was going to burn ourselves or who was going to blow up our barbecue. But, high five to us.
Yeah.
Put the barbecue grill together ourselves, and it worked
Yeah.
like a professional.
First time.
You know, it worked, no itch, you know. But over the years, we've put together so much.
Yeah, so
Do it
many
yourself,
things.
you know,
IKEA packages,
yes.
you know, IKEA's
IKEA.
thing.
We put a lot of IKEA. From the first time we met, we've been putting computer desks together, tables together, and these days most things that comes is you have to assemble it yourself.
Yeah.
So we are professional. Who are you gonna call? Sebastian.
Masses.
Okay, guys. Cheers for now.
Yeah.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for being loyal viewers,
Exactly.
loyal subscribers,
Yeah.
and we welcome all
New
the new
subscribers.
subscribers.
Yes.
Unfortunately, I can't, you know,
What's that?
I was gonna say I can't remember the name. I like to give shout out to subscribers
Yeah.
that shout out to us. And today's shout out is gonna go to our new subscriber, and she is from, hold on. I know she's from Guyana, but I want to make sure that, yes. Shonda Young
Okay.
from Guyana.
Yep.
Shonda shouted out to us recently, sending love all the way from the West Indies
Yes.
in Guyana. Heartfelt, we appreciate it. And Guyana is one of those places that we've always wanted to visit. You know, I used to have a friend that lived in Guyana. Unfortunately, he passed away many years ago, in 2007, and that was the reason why I aborted the Guyana trip. But other than having a friend there, we were always wanting
to
go to Guyana, you know, to see what it's about. So
Yeah.
you never know, Shonda, we might just end up in
Yeah.
your town and give you a shout out then.
Exactly.
All right. Until next time.
Ciao for now.
Ciao for now.